Hi, this is Tamara Bani. I'm excited to share my project called Performance Evaluation of Sustainable Rigid Pavement Structure and Rehabilitation Decision Making. This work aims to enhance the sustainability of rigid pavement in an innovative way. The heart of the project is deal with SRP concept, Sustainable Rigid Pavements, which is mainly focused in performance evaluation and rehabilitation as the main critical stages that leads to decision making. The novelty of my project deal with sustainable green concrete production. All of us should recognize that the sustainability concepts in different disciplines in our life not only a trend, but it's necessity. So I deal with sustainability to produce and manufacture what is called green concrete by applying two approaches. The first one deal with the plain concrete mix without any modification, and the other one which is called modified green concrete or sustainable green concrete using JNZ, Jordanian natural zeolites. Mainly I choose Jordanian natural zeolite because it is in a natural source as a natural material and different from another type of natural zeolites you can find in other countries in the world. So my work focused on dealing with natural zeolite as a partial replacement of cement, the second one by zeolite blended cement production, and continuous reinforced concrete pavement slabs production. The first trial by applying plain concrete mix, then we choose the natural zeolite and select it from the Jordanian natural zeolite sources. As you can see in the Jordan map, this is the locations of natural zeolites found in Jordan country. Then the natural zeolites after grinding dealt with different grain size, less than or equal 30 microgram and 75. The second trial, concrete mixes with 10, 15, and 20 percentages with natural zeolite as a partial replacements of cement. I worked my experiments, laboratories, experimental works in the Jordan Universities of Science and Technology in Construction Lab and use the Nanotechnology Laboratory and the Institute of Nanotechnologies in the analysis. This is the preparation of samples and mold casting. Then the third trial dealt with zeolite blended cement production in the BC by innovative forming of new zeolite blended cement. I manufactured new blended cement by applying Jordan natural zeolite by trying the first one Portland cement, the clinker mainly, adding gypsum and Jordanian natural zeolite in different percentages. Second trial by applying sulfate clinker to get sulfate zeocement and added gypsum and natural zeolite by 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25 percentages I tried. This is the sources of the materials used, natural zeolite, gypsum, and the clinker for two different type of cement. Then the macroscopic design applied as construction practices of Jordanian natural zeolite or natural zeolite in rigid pavements, mainly in CRCP type, by manufacture portable framework in reinforcement state. This is the stages from A to Z, from casting preparation to sample testing for normal RC slab. The second for CRCB slab with 10% natural zeolite, the other 15 natural zeolite as a partial replacement. Okay. We tried production of CRCP slabs with zeolite blended cement in an innovative development of CRCP. Schematic flowchart of sustainable concrete of this work deals with and highlights the concrete tests used in these studies. Mainly, I focused in new novelty by using this trial by applying EIA concept, environmental impact assessments. The trend in these years or in our centuries now, we should consider of the environmental impacts and effects on any issue we deal it in our life. So I applied EIA concepts in beside another tested for compare between my developed concrete and the plain one. This is the sample testing techniques I used. This is first trial for normal hardening concrete, the zeolite or zeoconcrete mix, and different percentages, yes, and the integrating of J and Z into sustainable future of CRCB in normal and modified CRCB slab, starting from slabs casting, curing, and testing, and we can see different mode of failure and distresses appear in compare between normal and the developed CRCB slabs. Microstructural analysis. All of us see about these concepts. This is very critical and important concepts dealt with material properties and dealt with the relationship between this material and the overall performance when we applied it in any structure we want. This is our results of this project for the replacements and the blended zeo cement. So, significance of this work mainly focused on sustainable rigid pavement evaluation and rehabilitation decision-making to get more long-term performance and cost-effectiveness of pavement infrastructure. The findings and the outcomes of this work, understanding the performance of the CRCP actually at the construction practices in runways, rigid pavement in airports. So it is a good prediction of surface conditioning and more durabilities in the future. Project novelty focused on using a sustainable material to develop a sustainable rigid pavement, mainly CRCP, to select the best choice, estimate rehabilitation technique, estimating at present and future pavement durability and environmentally friendly. This is the EIA study and the comparison between different impact categories used and applied for the conventional or normal concrete mix and the developed and produced green concrete called zeoconcrete mix to control climate change, to control our carbon footprint resulted from this innovation. So the project enhanced many and different advantages and benefits by control the mechanical properties of the concrete, improved its workability and durability and long-term performance with the special environmental factors and special environmental effect, the use of sustainable material that leads to decrease the reliance on Portland cement or sulfate cement, lowering carbon emissions and control our carbon footprint resulted and promoting eco-facilities. Potentially lowers production cost by utilizing locally sourced materials. Yes, because it's Jordanian natural zeolite, specially found in nature source from God, differ from other type of zeolite. Suitable for various construction applications, so ideal with infrastructure applications, mainly runway, airport pavements. So another application, we can deal it with the foundations and precast products. Actually, thanks for your attention. I would like to express my sincere hope that you see the potential of my work